it's Cassie from HelperTech Burnsville. Just going to talk to you about camera lens repair on iPhones. So, you've got glass on the back. That lens, sometimes you drop it and it cracks, and then you can't really take any pictures out of your rear camera because they're just blurry. You can't see anything, or maybe the lens itself has just fallen out entirely. I've seen that happen. They land on a rock and it's just that bad. Well, you want to get that in as soon as possible because sometimes that glass can actually scratch the camera itself, in which case then you're going to have a bunch of little black dots that won't go away until you replace the camera. That repair doesn't take long. It usually only takes half hour to do. It's something that is easily done on all of the iPhones. You don't need an appointment. You can just stop in. If you do have any questions, you can give us a call. Our phone number is 651-605-2575. And we're here Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturday, 10 to 3. Now, like I said, you want to get that in sooner rather than later. The camera can be replaced if it does get scratched, but those black dots, you will have to replace the camera to get rid of them. So, otherwise, blurriness, that's just the lens that's easily fixed. So, stop in, no appointment needed. You guys have a nice night.